Alright guys, so if you want to save money while shopping on Trendyol, getting coupons and promo codes is easier than you think. So you just start inside the app, go to coupons in your account, so my account, and then my coupons. So Trendyol regularly offers store-wide discounts, category-based coupons, and special events codes like Black Friday or seasonal sales. You can also find exclusive coupons on each product page on store profile. Some sellers offer automatic discounts when your order meets a minimum amount, so always check under the price for any available offers. Another easy way to find coupons is by visiting Trendyol's campaign page, usually labeled as deals, promotions, or campaigns. These sections list current offers, bundle deals, and brand-specific discounts. If you're looking for extra savings, check Trendyol's emails, push notifications, or social media, where they share limited time coupon codes for loyal users. And that's it. With these tips, you can easily grab active Trendyol coupons and stack up on savings every time you shop online.